The Turkish defense industry has again demonstrated remarkable progress after officially producing the next-generation combat helicopter. Equipped with modern weapon systems and advanced warfare technology, the presence of this latest combat helicopter demonstrates Turkey's increasing commitment to building an independent military force with high-tech capabilities. The latest generation helicopter uses a combination of aerospace aluminum, titanium, and carbon fiber composite materials. Composite materials were chosen for their high strength yet extremely light weight. The production process begins with the cutting of the helicopter's fuselage components. In a modern factory, automated laser cutting machines are used to produce highly precise cuts down to the millimeter level. Assembly is carried out using large precision jigs that maintain the precise position of each component during the joining process. Technicians assemble each part, from the fuselage floor, side frames, to the helicopter's roof structure. Joining is accomplished using a combination of high-strength aerospace bolts. The latest generation rotors are no longer constructed entirely of heavy metal, as in older helicopters. The modern aerospace industry now uses high-strength carbon fiber and fiberglass composite materials. Composite materials are chosen because they offer several significant advantages. Before an engine is manufactured, engineers first design the entire system using three-dimensional computer software. Modern helicopter engines typically use a turbo shaft, a type specifically designed to generate high power while being relatively light in weight. The turbine is the core of a helicopter turbo shaft engine. Heat energy from the combustion chamber is used to spin the turbine at very high speeds. Turkey's newest combat helicopter features an aggressive aerodynamic design, designed to increase speed and maneuverability. The fuselage is streamlined to reduce air resistance during high-speed flight. One of the main advantages of Turkey's new generation combat helicopter is its use of a modern digital cockpit. The entire flight control system is operated through a high-resolution multifunction display that provides real-time information to the pilot. Advanced avionics technology allows the pilot to monitor the overall combat situation. The flight computer system is capable of integrating radar data, infrared sensors, thermal cameras, and digital maps into one easy-to-operate display. This helicopter also uses a modern helmet display that allows the pilot to view target data directly through the helmet visor. This technology helps the pilot lock onto a target simply by directing his gaze to the enemy target. The latest satellite navigation system ensures the helicopter remains capable of operating accurately in adverse weather conditions and during night operations. Smart autopilot technology also helps reduce the pilot's workload during long missions. The most prominent advantage of this Turkish combat helicopter lies in its highly lethal modern weapons system. The helicopter is equipped with various types of missiles and smart weapons designed to destroy targets with high precision. One of the main weapons used is the latest generation of laser-guided anti-tank missiles. These missiles are capable of destroying heavy armored vehicles in a single, accurate strike. The advanced guidance system ensures the missile remains on target, even when the target is moving rapidly. In addition to anti-tank missiles, the helicopter also carries precision-guided rockets to destroy bunkers, artillery positions, and enemy bases. A large-caliber automatic cannon with rapid-fire capability is mounted in front of the cockpit. In recent years, Turkey has continued to develop various strategic defense programs, ranging from combat drones, armored vehicles, warships, and next-generation fighter aircraft. Currently, global attention is focused on a modern combat helicopter project, touted as possessing lethal capabilities and specifically designed for future battlefields. This latest generation helicopter was developed to carry out a variety of demanding combat missions, such as destroying armored vehicles, counter-terrorism operations, air escort, precision strikes, and combat support for ground troops. Its technology makes it one of the most modern helicopters ever produced by the Turkish defense industry. Turkey has also developed this helicopter's air-to-air capabilities by installing specialized missiles to counter enemy drones and helicopters. This technology provides high flexibility in various types of modern combat. The entire weapon system is integrated with an artificial intelligence-based combat computer. This AI system helps pilots prioritize threats and provides the best attack recommendations within seconds. To support its combat capabilities, this new generation helicopter is equipped with a high-tech sensor and radar system The modern radar is capable of detecting multiple targets simultaneously over long distances. The latest generation of electro-optical sensors allows pilots to detect combat vehicles, enemy positions, and even air threats with high accuracy. A high-resolution thermal camera also facilitates nighttime operations without compromising combat effectiveness. Automatic target search technology allows the computer system to recognize enemy objects using artificial intelligence. This speeds up the target identification process and increases attack accuracy. Furthermore, the helicopter can also connect with reconnaissance drones to receive live battlefield data. This digital integration is a crucial part of the concept of modern network-based warfare. In modern warfare, survivability is as important as offensive capability. Therefore, Turkey has equipped this helicopter with advanced self-protection systems. Missile warning sensors are installed on various sides of the helicopter's fuselage to detect incoming threats. When a missile approaches, the system automatically activates flares and chaff to confuse enemy guidance systems. The helicopter is also equipped with an electronic jammer capable of disrupting enemy radar and communication systems. This technology makes the helicopter more difficult to detect and increases its chances of survival on the battlefield. Some parts of the fuselage are even coated with special materials that reduce radar reflections. This semi-stealth technology helps the helicopter navigate more safely within enemy air defense zones. Turkey's new generation of combat helicopters uses high-powered turboshaft engines designed to deliver exceptional performance in a variety of combat conditions. These modern engines generate significant power to increase speed, payload, and maneuverability. Even when fully armed, the helicopter maintains high maneuverability. The engine's cooling system is designed to maintain stability during long-term operations. Fuel-efficient technology also helps extend the helicopter's range during combat missions. The main rotor uses lightweight composite materials with a new aerodynamic design, resulting in improved stability and reduced noise levels. This combat helicopter is produced in a modern defense industrial facility utilizing the latest manufacturing technology. Automated robots are used to cut materials, assemble the fuselage structure, and install high-precision electronic systems. The production process begins with the construction of the main frame, using aerospace aluminum and composite materials. This is followed by the installation of the cockpit, electronic wiring system, engine, rotors, and weapons. Each production stage is monitored using a digital computer to ensure all components are assembled according to military standards. Laser and ultrasonic scanning technology is used to detect even minor flaws in the fuselage structure. After assembly is complete, the helicopter undergoes a series of rigorous tests, including engine tests, electronic system tests, and combat simulations, before finally undergoing its first test flight. Turkey's success in producing the next-generation combat helicopter demonstrates significant progress in the national defense industry. The country is now not only a user of foreign military technology, but also a world-class producer of modern weapon systems. This latest combat helicopter is predicted to strengthen Turkey's position in the international arms export market. Many countries are becoming interested in Turkish military products because they offer a combination of high technology, modern combat capabilities, and more competitive production costs. Military observers consider the production of this combat helicopter a crucial step for Turkey in building its future air force. With the support of artificial intelligence technology, precision weapon systems, and modern electronic warfare capabilities, this helicopter is expected to become one of the most dangerous aerial combat vehicles of the modern era.